Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. Imagine being able to print your favorite designs onto any type of fabric easily and efficiently without the need for pre-treatment or special maintenance. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, with the Lancelot A3 L1800 DTF Transfer Printing Machine, that dream becomes a reality. This machine is a game changer for anyone looking to take their printing to the next level, and I'm excited to share with you all the amazing features it has to offer. First, let's talk about the white ink stirring and circulatory system. This feature is a total game changer, as it ensures flawless printing results without the need for pre-treatment. Unlike traditional DTG technology, which can be cumbersome and limited in the types of fabrics it can print on, the Lancelot A3 L1800 makes it easy to print on a wide range of fabrics, from cotton and polyester to leather and even handicrafts. The white ink stirring and circulatory system simplifies the printing process, making it perfect for beginners and experienced printers alike. With this system, you can say goodbye to the hassle and expense of pre-treating your fabrics, and hello to vibrant, high-quality prints every time. Another feature that really stands out is the beginner-friendly operation of the Lancelot A3 L1800. Setting up and using this machine is incredibly easy. Just import your design, press print, and let the machine do the rest. There's no special maintenance required, and keeping the machine clean is a breeze. This makes it perfect for small businesses, hobbyists, and anyone looking to start their own printing venture. Whether you're printing on demand or producing large quantities, the Lancelot A3 L1800 is designed to make the process as smooth and efficient as possible. Plus, with its easy-to-use interface, you can focus on what really matters, creating amazing designs and bringing your vision to life. Now, let's talk about the versatility of the Lancelot A3 L1800. This machine is suitable for printing on all kinds of fabrics, from t-shirts and jeans to hats, handbags, and even shoes. The possibilities are endless, and the quality of the prints is always top-notch. Whether you're looking to start a clothing line, create custom accessories, or simply print your favorite designs onto your favorite fabrics, the Lancelot A3 L1800 has got you covered. And with its upgraded direct-to-film DTF L1800 printer, you can print on single sheets of A3/A4 size or roll material, eliminating paper jam issues commonly faced with traditional printers. But what really sets the Lancelot A3 L1800 apart from other printing machines on the market is its durability and versatility compared to DTG printers. DTF printing requires no pre-treatment, and the prints are more durable and long-lasting. Plus, DTF printers can print on a wider range of materials, including dark fabrics, which can be a challenge for DTG printers. And with the Lancelot A3 L1800, you can print brighter colors on dark fabrics, making it perfect for creating vibrant and eye-catching designs. In conclusion, the Lancelot A3 L1800 DTF Transfer Printing Machine is an incredible piece of technology that is perfect for anyone looking to take their printing to the next level. With its white ink stirring and circulatory system, beginner-friendly operation, and versatility, this machine is a must-have for any printing enthusiast. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the Lancelot A3 L1800 DTF Transfer Printing Machine and start creating amazing prints today. Don't miss out on this opportunity to revolutionize your printing and take your creativity to new heights.